Uh, okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon in here. My name is Muhammad Taufikur Rahman. I will present Village Fund policy on the Indonesian economic sector. I am Trisakti. I am student in Trisakti University. The Village Funds program in Indonesia has an effect on the welfare of rural communities, especially with the enactment of the law on village. Previously, the law on village was not a new thing in Indonesia. In 79, law number 5 concerning village government uniformed the structure of village institution and organization. The position of the village is under the sub-district, which is then strengthened by the existence of law number 22 of 99 concerning region government. Subsequently, the law was replaced by law number 32 of 24, which was later revised into law number 23 of 2014 and 14 concerning regional government, and law number 6 of 2013 concerning village law. Development constraints from the Village Fund program and its formula were also found in the following years. Infrastructure development will indeed affect the economy, but there are many villages that use development funds for things that are not related to the economy, such as building village gates, village fence, or village offices. This causes not optimal management of the village funds to affiliate poverty. The village funds formula also has its own problem. The currently established formula does not support a sharper reduction in poverty because only 10% affect the distribution. The village funds are distributed based on the number of villages, not based on the number of poor people in the village. Regions that have many villages, even though on the number of poor people are fewer, get more village fund than regions that have fewer villages but have more poor people. Alfaro et al. 20 and 20. Triadi et al. 2014 states that there are 5 tests of the rural economic development, namely 1, study at characteristic of the village, 2, identification of the technology, 3, potential sector, 4, mechanism, and 5, study the institution. Characteristic of village are very different. Whose livelihoods are also very diverse, ranging from farmer, breeders, fishermen, plantation, so that this affects people income and how well people use natural resources. Currently, technology is crucial to the success of development in the village. Identification of technology is needed to develop sectors that have economic potential and then carry out strategies that can develop this economic sector. The important thing that can be applied in the management of the village funds by involving the community is the need to carry out activities with a self-managed pattern, using local labor and utilizing local raw materials in the village based on the background of the research above. This research will look at the impact of the distribution of village funds, which in recent years has been implemented on the pattern of the Indonesian economic sector. Research formula and objectives. Analyze and study the result of the calculation of the input-output model of the village funds policy through intermediate and primary inputs. 2, the results of the calculation of the sectoral driving force index of the village funds policy. And 3, the result of the calculation of the sectoral attractiveness index of the village funds policy. for the results of the calculation of the forward linkage multiplier and the back linkage multiplier of the village fund policy. And 5, the main driving sector for the economic growth of the village funds policy. And 6, simulation of the economic impact of the village funds policy on the Indonesian economic sector against Indonesia economic sector. The novelty and framework. The novelty of this study has a wider scope with analysis EO and using the last database EO table 2016, which has a metric dimension of 185. Discussion and conclusion. Based on the EO table 2060, the average portion of intermediate and primary inputs is 47% and 52% respectively. The intermediate inputs, namely inputs obtained from other sector used for the production process in 185 economic sector amount to 47%. Meanwhile, the average portion of primary input, which includes compensation for labors, gross operation surplus, tax minus other subsidies on production used in 185 economic sector, is 52%. The economic sector, number 1, oil and gas refinery products, and 2, arts, entertainment, and recreation service, 3, other government service, 4, health service, and private social activities. The sectoral push or pull index, a measure to describe the ability of the economic sector to push or pull the economic sector that are the front of it or behind it or that are supplier of its output input. Forward-backward linkage multiplier, the multiplier coefficient of an economic sector resulting from the linkage or interaction with the economic sector in front of it, behind it, or its user supporting sector. Top 5 rank, sectoral drift index, sector attractiveness index, multiplier forward linkage, multiplier backward linkage, and multiplier linkage total. The village fund simulation here 2019 GDP, the top ranking has a total multiplier linkage value, which is the main driver of economic growth, and if it is simulated entirely to 100%, the village fund is only allocated to this economic sectors. It will generate considerable economic added value. The village fund simulation in the economic sector, the number 1, basic chemistry except fertilizer, shared to DGP 2019, 6.77%. Number 2, electricity. Number 3, oil and gas refinery products. Number 4, rental service and business support service. And number 5, crude oil. The economic sector, basic chemical sector, specialty chemical for oil and gas, water treatment, rubber, paper, construction, automotive for additive, textile, leather, electronics, catalyst, brake fluid. Electricity sector, all outputs generated by the village funds are closely related to the use of electricity. And rental and business support service sector, all output produced by the village funds are closely related to this, such as electricity support activities, water management, road construction, and other facility supporting services. Oil and gas refinery product sector, the development of the infrastructure of the village funds causes the use of the engine to drive infrastructure development, including the output of the village fund, which increases the use of the sector as well. And implication. Sorry. The implication, the village fund program has a positive impact on the welfare of people in rural areas by providing added value to the economic sector that is directly involved in community economic activities. The number two, the Village Fund program also makes a positive contribution to the level driving force. Number three, the government as a policymaker needs to be careful with the implementation on the Village Fund program given the large impact on the added value of the Indonesian economy. The number four, the government needs to consider the linkage of the economic sector with other economic activities or activities that are the main driver of economic growth. The policy recommendation, number one, the government as the regulator needs to consider continuing the Village Fund distribution policy, which has a major impact on the added value of the economy. Number two, the policy for the distribution of Village Fund is still being considered for continued implementation in order to improve the technical quality of distribution, use, and supervision so that it does not become an obstacle in the spending process and does not have the potential to become a fraud loophole. Number three, the government needs to increase accountability for the implementation of the Village Funds through distribution policies based and implementation performance, and strengthening the monitoring and evaluation of the implementation of the Village Funds policy. And number four, along with the increase to the Village Funds budget ceiling every year, the government should always improve the formulation of the allocation of Village Funds while still paying attention to the aspect of equity and justice so that the village government as the subject of regional development can optimize the use of Village Funds in several priority village activities. Thank you.